Hello everyone, this will be the first class for your revision and this will be both uh, this class will be in mixed dialect, and after 2 or 3 days we will be doing this revision class separately in Manipuri medium and English medium. Okay, so to begin with, we have this chapter number 2 for class 11. Some of you want me to start class 11 as well as class 12, and I will be doing separately class 11 and the class 12 revision after 3 or 4 days. Okay, so let us begin with your unit and measurement. You just take out your PDF question, and we will be doing only the question that is already ticked in the PDF file. Okay? PDF file da ko na tick to ko to si yang si question da ko aham de question number 5 da han lakra asida ina ngasai jo upload to giba in the morning. I have uploaded 2 videos regarding your regarding your slide caliper and screw gears. You should watch that 2 video. Okay, unless you watch that one, we cannot do your question number 6 and question number 7. So we will be keeping this question number 6 and question number 7 aside, and we will do this later on. Okay, so question number 5, in an experiment, before starting this, we have this error. And what is the general formula for finding out your relative error in your exam? Mostly relative error is being x delta. If we have this expression y is equal to x cube z to the power 5, and we have 4 by 7 as our coefficient. Okay, so this may be also divided by d to the power let me put this as 6. Okay, then what will be the relative error? Relative error, what do you mean by error? Error is nothing but it is the change in the value of certain variable. Variable lamagi value change to error ko here, if the error is divided by the original value or the measured value, then it will be known as relative error. Let me quickly write the formula here. What is error? Error delta x is nothing but this is x2 minus x1, the change in the value. Okay, if we consider x1 to be the original value and x2 to be the newly measured value, that means sometimes while we are measuring any object, there may be error. When any object measure the error error no error because there is difference in the measurement, in your measurement and the actual value. Actual value ka nangi measurement value change to begini ko. Smile ko sida yung similar ko. X1 sina this is the original value in. So let me put like this: delta x divided by x1 will be known as a relative error. If the change in the value relative, this will be error. Okay, so x2 divided by x2 minus x1 divided by x1, this will be known as relative error. Error in the value of a variable divided by its original value is known as relative error. Si katang chipha pu ko relative error ki concept si ma khangbiro yarani. Adu ka mu next mu yengo sida le sida here si ki formula si kamai betare, we have to find out the relative error of y. Y की relative error to the delta y divided by y is equal to very high graph. Similarly, 4 by 7 this 4 by 7 is constant, so we are not going to consider the constant terms in our relative error calculation. Relative error की calculation is कोई ना हो रहा है. So why do we study this relative error? Relative error maru is because in our upcoming question maps the change in the value map or percentage sense, we can calculate the percentage sense question very easily by using this relative error concept. We are going to ignore this 4 by 7, ignore the Tony Aduga here. This variable x is raised to power 3, so this variable x which is raised to power 3 will be now converted as 3 times delta x divided by x plus aduga nang khangdo say in relative error calculation all the variable whether it is in the multiplication form, addition form, subtraction form or division form, it doesn't matter. All the variable, all the relative error of the variable must be added to find out the relative error of the given function y. Today what variable is here we have variable x, z and d. If there is any mistake or if there is any error in x, then there will be error in y. If there is any error in d or z, then automatically error will be in your y measurement. Therefore, relative error should be added. And power should become multiplier. Power should multiplier 5 delta z divided by z plus 6 delta d divided by d. This is the way to calculate our relative error. And if you want to find out in terms of percentage error what can be, you should multiply both sides, both equation with 100 and multiply to Solani. Question number 5 let us directly go through our question number 5. In an experiment, the percentage error occur in the measurement of the physical quantity A, B, C, D are 1%, 2%, 3%, 4% and 4% respectively. Then the maximum percentage error in the measurement of the capital X, where X is equal to what is the given function? Given function is equal to Z, X equal to A raised to power 2, B raised to power half divided by C raised to power 1 by 3, D raised to the power 3. And what are the relative errors? My relative error से क्या पी? A की relative error क्या है? Delta A by A. This is the relative error of A, and this is given as 1%. And what about delta B by B? This is given as 2%. And what about delta C by C? This is given as 3%. And what about your relative error in D? This will be equal to 4%. So if we have to find out the relative error of x, delta x by x will be equal to, we have already written the formula for function expressed in terms of power. A must be expressed as 2 delta A divided by A plus this will be half into this is delta B divided by B plus what are the remaining variable? The remaining variable are C and D. So for C and D, what is the power of C? Power of C is 1 by 3 into delta C by C plus what about delta, what about your D? It is raised to the power 3, so 3 delta B divided by D. Very easy. Sila hapsalo nangi 2 into, you just put the value of relative errors 1% naman happy nani plus percentage. Let us put the percentage later on plus mathang sida kya lani 1 it will be half into this is 2 plus mathang 1 by 3 into this is 3 plus 1 by this will be 3 into this is 4. So after simplification this 2 into 2, 3 into 3 get cancelled out. This will be 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 12. So what will be the answer? Answer will be only 16%. This is very easy, okay? So this is the way to calculate our relative error. Relative error is question number 5. Understood the way. Question number 6, this question number 6 and question number 5. That means measuring instrument is we will do it in a separate class. Next you should try the remaining question. Remaining question I absolutely try to show. If you do not know the answer or know how to calculate, you just ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, group ta dum hairo ai dum answer do calculate taroga hairke. Next time kumaila aisa significant figure. I will keep this significant figure and nagi measuring instrument separate on the tamge. Let us do your question number 23. So question number 23 day the dimension of universal gravitational constant. Adu this day I will teach you how to find out the gravitational constant for dimension formula for gravitational constant through our conventional method. Conventional method ta combine both the case ta ke if you are able to by heart the dimension formula for gravitational constant, then it will hardly take you 1 second to choose the correct answer. Correct answer to choose the line the company. Yeah, go. You see, question number 23. For this question number 23, G gravitational constant will be in your chapter gravitation chapter. Why this chapter is very important unit and measurement, because this chapter, this chapter can be asked as applied question, which is based on your class 12, class 11. Any syllabus, any topic, the question can be asked by using this relative error or by using this unit measurement concept. Apply to application question the gravitation F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square. What is this? Newton's law of gravitation. If we have two masses, the m1 the m2 they are separated by a distance r, then what is the force of attraction between these two masses m1 and m2? It is given by Newton's law of gravitation, and its value is given as G m1 m2 divided by r square, where capital G is the gravitational constant. If we are to find out the value of G, then it would be F into r square divided by this m1 into this is m2 equal to G. What is the dimension formula of force? Force की dimension formula के force की dimension formula it will be MLT inverse to you should by heart this basic निको मोई से सिंपल पुगो बनी here this will be MLT inverse 2 into what about this R? R is the distance. Distance is usually denoted by dimensional symbol L. L represent the length square means it would be L square divided by this is mass, mass is multiplied twice. We have to understand this principle of homogeneity. This is very important. Length plus length, this is length. That means on one side of the equation if you have length, then on another side you must have length. Sida solo kandana kanole rekhala seba mass le rekhala solo kandana kanole velocity le dia. That means addition or subtraction, addition or subtraction of physical quantity must be done with the same physical quantity. Length must be added or subtracted from the length. Understood the we call? Mass must be subtracted or added with the mass. And the length minus length this is left side is length, right side is length Yarani cos L plus L haraga twice L half it will be wrong. L minus L is equal to 0 haraga wrong. We are not following your algebraic calculation. But not take we are just using our dimensional equation. Dimensional equation simply gives us the concept of same physical quantity on either side of equation. Equation to the either side this is only for subtraction and addition. And what about the second study? Length into length this will be length square. That means multiplication and division will produce some another physical quantity, or it may be it may not produce any dimensional physical quantity in the photo. So I just take an example, L divided by L. What will be the value here? This will be 1. 1 is not a physical quantity. 1 is only a constant. Understood? If we multiply length into length, this will be length square. This is area. Here mass into mass, it will produce m square, and this value is equal to G. So this m and this square get cancel out. This m is taken upside. This will be m inverse, okay, and this will be l cube, and we have t inverse 2. This will be the dimensional formula for g. And if you by heart this formula, then see dimensional formula is different. If you do not by heart it, then you have to know the equation or the formula containing g. G yoga formula am din simha pugatai. Understood to withdraw. Aduna tedian compare ko. Next, let us do your question number 17. Question number 17 jamu wala si. In this question number 17 ko sidani for this chapter you must know formula for each and every chapter. You must be familiar with the different formulas. Formula nang simha pugatai. Understood to we ko. Mana si the period se kaino mu naught this is mu naught epsilon naught raised to power half. What will be the dimensional formula? This is nanga. If we go through the conventional method, then this would be very difficult for you to find out the dimension formula of mu and dimension formula of epsilon naught. Mu naught se kaino this is the absolute permeability for a magnetic field. How do you bar magnet among absolute permittivity in a aduga epsilon naught sina kari kaudani. This is the absolute permittivity for charge. Amana permeability and amana permittivity in the high. Mu naught sina kari happening. This mu naught will be known as permeability per. In your biology, you studied this semi-permeable membrane. Adu spelling the second of Nika. Permeability of free space natraga of air in high SUI. My value is its value will be 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Or Matangam Kanapu epsilon. This is Nangi absolute. See absolute now to Nico. This note by the absolute permittivity per permittivity. You should check out the difference between mu naught and epsilon naught. This will be mu naught will be related to your magnetism. This will be related to your magnetism. And what about this? This will be related to your electrostatics. Electrostatics magnet. Let us consider this is bar magnet. North pole is here. This is south pole here. This is air medium. How what is the influence? How much the air medium influence the force of attraction between this north pole and south pole. See years na north pole ka south pole di kon the attraction ko din atro mobani bi attraction jum kya effect of gas ko na ko bani. There will be absolute permeability. Okay, permeability. If we replace this air with the water medium, then the force of attraction between this same north pole and the south pole will change. North pole ka south pole is changing the set ma change to bani. Understood to bumi ko adu mo sila mo yengo. Next Sida charge let us suppose this is Q1, this is Q2, and they are separated by air analogy. Is it how much is the influence of air medium separating between this Q1 and Q2 upon their force of attraction or repulsion? Understood? Absolute permittivity. In case of the charges, it will be known as permittivity. In case of your magnet ki matang do ragana permeability. Okay, and C we have this equation C equal to 1 by root over this is mu naught epsilon naught. You have to by heart this. This is the very famous equation. See the man light is an electromagnetic wave. Every electromagnetic wave can be taken as a function of both electric field and magnetic field. electromagnetic the name itself identifies that this electromagnetic wave will consist of electric field and magnetic field, and the electric field will be contributed by epsilon naught and magnetic field part will be contributed by mu naught. Khangi ko hari se karigumba electromagnetic wave se wave had any disturbance ni, if the propagation of wave require material medium, then it will be known as material wave or mechanical wave. Understood tawi? And if it doesn't require any material medium for propagation, then it will be known as your electromagnetic wave, such as light. Light se kaino, light is also an electromagnetic wave ni. It doesn't require any specific material medium for its propagation. Okay, so for this electromagnetic wave, it will consist of electric field and magnetic field. And if you do not recall the concept, then just look up at your wave optics. Wave optics kida we have, I think we have already done your polarization takiko polarization chapter da. I have told you that light consists of two field, electric field and magnetic field. And in case of light, what is the equation? Equation will be 1 by Robert mu naught epsilon naught. C is this C is nothing but this is the speed of the light. And the speed of light if we look dimensionally, speed of the light speed of the car speed of the human being it doesn't matter. Speed is a physical quantity, so it will have one specific dimensional formula. Understood we go? If we have to express this in terms of your power notation, this should be minus. Okay, so if this is written in terms of our power notation the either the mu naught epsilon naught, this is power half lakadra, this is power half. If it is taken upside, it will be equal to C is equal to mu naught epsilon naught, and this is power half. If we use this concept, left hand side if we have the physical quantity on the right on the left hand side as length, then on the right hand side it must be also length or within the draw. But here left hand side on the left hand side we have this speed, on the right hand side this is the unknown parameter. This must be equal to speed the draw, and speed this is L T inverse 1. Finish. This is the way to calculate. Okay. Next up, let us do the next question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18, we have a similar type of question as there of your question number 17. Question number 17 का माना वो question लिखो. माना PDC 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square sigi nangi kano puthwaiba. We have to find out the dimensional formula. Sida nangi epsilon naught ki di half the electric field half the, it will be very difficult for him to find out. Aduna we have to use the formula je legacy. Mana PDC kaino epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space, E is the electric field of P unit trap. Adudi here this I think you will have studied this equation in your chapter number 2 of class 12 capacitor that capacitors the, if we consider the energy stored in this capacitor, means it will be consist of two plates of opposite charges like this, and they are separated by a distance d. This d will be the plate separation, understood, and A is A will be the area of each plate. That animal area is A and the entire volume is filled with air and the amount of the energy that is stored in this plate. Plate is stored to give energy. Entire volume the energy stored in the entire volume will be equal to C. We have this half Q into V. Q into V, where V is the volume. Okay, V is not the volume. This is the voltage. V stands for the voltage, okay? And we will be having Q square divided by 2C, and what will be the another will be equal to half CV square, half CV square. We will be having this equation. This is the total energy stored in the capacitor. Capacitor amagi dane energy stored to set kya ka madagani hai taradi nangi C formula mi lekhane, where now Q is the total charge stored in the plate amada store to charge set Q ni na khalasi adu V is na kay within this is positive charge, this is negative charge. Positive charge is usually considered as higher potential and negative charge is considered as lower potential. In consider told me na the difference in the potential between this higher and the lower is known as potential difference, and its value is represented by capital V in a khalo. Gyantai ko adu ita the capital V is the voltage difference between positive plate and negative plate. So if we are to find out the total energy stored in this capacitor, then its expression will be expression will be it will be expressed in three different terms of later QV have Q square by 2C have half CV square have. If we consider this is the negative plate, this is the positive plate, okay, both will have the same area. Mobani is some other area plate separation this is D, and if we consider this as a rectangular compartment in the this figure, this heavily matak zoom lady makat zoom lady itali rectangular figure yeah, we can say that the entire volume, okay, entire volume do we know CP from here to here the entire volume entire volume will be equal to volume in between these two plates will be equal to area into plate separation D. See, understood to the energy capacitor is a device, is an electrical device to store charge. Charge store to we can use the charge for producing current later on. Have you mobile battery to charge later on the future use the just like that. The charge stored in the capacitor is Q, and the voltage produced for charging this capacitor is V in a color, and what about the volume? Volume will be area of the plate into plate separation D in a color. If we consider the total energy stored is this much, then this small u is defined as the total energy stored per unit volume, or we can write like this: U is divided by AD. See, entire volume if we consider the energy stored in this per unit area is the stored energy, there will be known as your small u, energy stored per unit area, and its value will be equal to this will be half epsilon naught E square of lani. Electric field electric field is nothing but we know that electric field moves from positive plate to negative plate. This is the electric field. Is that understood or not? See expression. If you find this expression half epsilon naught E square, then you simply understand this is the energy stored per unit volume. Energy stored per unit volume. Here this will be equal to energy divided by per unit volume. What is the formula for energy? Dimension formula the area with the length square distance to the L. So we can put the dimension formula for volume to be L energy the work energy. What is the formula for energy? Energy is force into displacement and this is the force ml T inverse 2 into this is length. So ml square T inverse 2, this is the dimensional formula for energy. And this I I hope you all are familiar with this dimension formula for energy watt per watt. We just put the value over here. See the energy the क्या माने energy the m l square, this is T inverse 2 divided by volume will be L cube and it will be half epsilon naught E square. So we just put the value here, m L inverse 1 T inverse 2. This will be the dimension formula for this unknown parameter half epsilon naught E square. See the dimension formula से क्या माना गया इसका m L inverse T inverse 2 जी को माना गया है. Understood तो वो मुद्रा नंबनी को अदुदी नंग question जे लूप लूरा बा. If the question is too difficult for you, then क्या you बता रहे you have to know at least one formula from which you can calculate the given question. Given question तो calculate तो क्या अपन formula में नंग जंग तो अपने अदुना ते दिया रही को. Let's do another question. Question number 21. See, question number 21 is about question. I think we will question number 21. 21 is very important here. Question number 21 and question number can also try. I think we have done this question number 23. Question number 32. Question number 32 or 21. This is a bit difficult for your standard. If you know the concept, then it will be very easy. Here, one is the dimension of the resistance. The dimension of the resistance in an electrical circuit in terms of the dimension of the mass M, length L, in terms of time T, in terms of current I. That means when a height is we are going to find out the dimension formula for resistance R in terms of your mass M, length L, time T and current I. And we have this for physical quantities: mass, length, time, and current. And we have four physical quantities, and out of these physical quantities we have to derive our resistance R. Resistance R to produce the resistance की formula से कमानी हुई है. Resistance R is equal to rho M by A. सीधा देखो rho is resistivity ना है A से area length the L की. This is resistance in terms of your dimension the expressed over here. Here in this सीधा in this formula, if we are going to calculate the dimension formula for your R, अदुदी कना वाला पे area ले length ले अदुदी mass mo वाली we do not have this mass mo वाले अदुदी current से होगा या होगी time से होगा या होगी अदुदी चार्ट के लोग बता रहे we cannot use this formula C formula से use तो याद रखो अदुदी हमारा current से कराया दिया हुए current के resistance के लिए नंबर relation दिखे तो which formula or which law give you the relation between your current and resistance, that is your Ohm's law. Ohm's law ने क्या है potential applied is equal to V equal to IR. This has been studied since your class 10 standard, class 9 10 standard की तमाम लिखो. V is equal to potential difference applied across the positive terminal and negative terminal हम लाखों लिखो. अदो इसलिए इसे if we have to find out the resistance R produced, okay, the R will be equal to very simple, this will be V divided by I line. And this potential V how will you define potential? This has been already studied in our class 12 chapter number 1 electrostatics. So the potential defined the way work done is equal to work done per unit charge will be defined as our potential. And if you do not understand, I will just explain what is potential. Potential has party if we have this charge we have this Q1 charge, the infinity this is the very far place infinity. From this we have to bring one column of charge from this infinity up to here. Then the amount of the work done that is required for bringing this one column of charge from very far place to the electric field region of this source charge Q1. This is the field region of Mahadlatro. Otherwise, the work done the work done for unit charge. I mean, one suppose example number is 1 pen the rupees kya change 3 change kalasi 5 pen gi dadi kya change 5 pen gi dadi it will be 3 into 5 just like that. The work done that is required for bringing this one column of charge from very far place from infinity to any point up to here or up to here. Okay, adu di 1 gi dadi kya change 1 chang matam it will be now consider as v ne na haigani. Potential is the work done per unit charge, or in another language we can consider it as work done for bringing a unit means 1. Okay, unit positive test charge from infinity to a filled region. Ama purakpada changi thabak to v ne potential ko hai yadara adu di q purakpada radi 1 da rupees v change 3 de kya change 3 into v. Instead of bringing this one column, if we bring this q amount of charge purakpada radi 1 da 1 required this q will require q v lakta bro like adu di potential ki smile e gadra yo e gani adu smile e bya remo your resistance R will be equal to nangi 1 by I में ibirage ko current aduga sigida yo v di kai ga mane v di work done har na tro work done har ge this is work done 1 is my 1 divided si kare ni ko work done divided by charge q ne ibe abra da bro work done divided by charge ada sutawi yagra adi work done yemo se charge ki kamane explain ta woni what how will you define charge current si kamai mane chale current ka charge ka linear relation je dq by dt the rate of flow of charge will be known as current. That means basically if we look at the physical quantity current I will be equal to charge q divided by this is time period t time in hello adi I into t it is equal to charge q ko manare let us just put the value over here. See work is kya manare work is equal to energy. Okay, do not forget this work is equal to energy and its value is ml inverse to ml square t inverse 2 divided by current I into what is the value of the charge. The value of charge is I into t is the time. Okay, adi sida kai lakani is m l square adi sida di current si kind of this is I square, this is taken upside, this will be minus 4. Okay, this is t minus 1 and this will be this will be how much t if t is taken upside this will be t minus 3. Okay, this is 1. Okay, this power 1 when taken upside it will be minus 3. Understood the way current I ki lani this is I square when taken upside this will be like this. Aigana he draw aigani ko aduna resistance ki magi kano je dimension formula je you should know how to find out the dimension formula of resistance in terms of your mass, length, time and current I. See haigadobani. Let us do your question number 32. Question number 32 is the here when a mu not ki I think we have done your question number kya no kone to give do question number 17 das in your question number 17 I have briefly describe you the difference between epsilon naught and mu naught. Epsilon naught will be related to your charges and mu naught will be related to your magnet. Okay, and we have to find out the dimension formula for your mu naught in your question number 32. In this question number 32 we have to find out your question we have to find out dimension formula for absolute permeability. Okay, and here first of all you just have to look at the option. Now any dimension formula gi da nang option ha ne yengado bane question do the clear cut oina mention toramagadi that's very easy. Yai ko ai hari sa sidale sida option sida di we have this m khange m stands for mass, l t khange what is this a is the email khango matam ta understood to ko mi ko adu ita here a is the area we no this a is not the area, a is your current ne na represent to go ni ko adu di कोई ना in the previous question number क्या तो कोई note की बताओ question number 21 basic difference है question number 21 की resistance की previous question note की बता दी माना current दो specific कोई ना current should be represented by symbolic representation of I in the question number 21 and man specific कोई ना mention कर रहा पिरम में but in this question number 30 question number 32 it doesn't specify the symbolic the symbol that are involved in the physical quantity or the symbols jam ta hiram dev ado generally we know that A is the symbolic representation of current I current C की मागी representation से I ने लवी dimensional analysis था M से ना कनागी लवी से mass की लवी अदम L से ना कनागी लवी L से ना charge की लवी L से ना length की लवी को अदुगा T से ना कनागी लवी time की लवी in your question number previous question instead of A we are given the freedom to use I से use तो वाला मार्क किरम बने अदुगु मानल से की question number 30 का to the it doesn't specify तो रंद्रमीना के दो बता रहे mu should be dimension formula of your permeability must be find out having the physical quantity mass length time and current I current से सी यों लोगों दो बने अदुदी मुकोइना formula माया मोमा देना we have find out the best formula में हम लेने को बायोसावर लो देखरी है if a wire carries current I whether the mana कहीं लाख से R लाख from the if we have to find out the magnetic field at a point which is at a perpendicular distance R लाख from the magnetic field B is equal to mu naught क्या माना बा mu naught क्या माना दिनो से mu naught by 4 pi into this is 2 I divided by R अदर सीधे की मुखंग दिसे हो नंगा I की representation खंगरा what is the symbolic representation of I की A ले रहे R से कहना distance की A ले रही but do you know the physical quantity or the dimensional formula of this magnetic field की formula आदि खंगरा खंगती अदर can we use this formula yes we can use this formula but it will be very difficult for us to calculate it okay कोई न लूगनी अब सी वक्त में तंदा यार का यार देखो अंतु कमु next time we यंगसी simulation के देखो अंतु का मथंग का समायना लोग में आगे मुझे current I1 current I2 separated by distance d ने नखलो अतुति if two wire carries current in the same direction then there will be force of attraction between them now I think this is recently we have done this topic recently we are it will be doing in the system break I mean current को wire ni से same direction the current को बता रहा गति मवानी से के दबरनी attraction का उराक तबली अदुन निकोई locality दा current से स्माइल parallel wire चिंकु तंदा मरक तकोई ना technology कोई wooden block अमरना separate ता वन ब्रो ता ब्रो तबली काफी मरक मरक तक क्या को have we usually put some object to separate or the pipe over pipe in order to separate the two current carrying wire is a pedal carrying wire in the same direction they will attract opposite or repulsion and the force will be equal to this is length L1 this is length L1 this is length L2 then the total force obtained by this this second wire will be equal to force is equal to F2 is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into this will be 2 I1 I2 divided by distance of separation D into length L2 na the total force I had is a force per unit length have not I use the word total force obtained by obtained by this second wire due to the magnetic field produced by the first wire. First wire is not produced over the mana from the magnetic force to kya tagani. This was the expression. Adu di angkan hai si kamai na line ding si ko hai ki current pu wire ma se magnetic field pu theba. Simply remember that any current carrying wire just behave like a magnet amount mai behave tabane. Adu di masi ju current pure si ju current pure ko you just forget about the physics and physics loi ko thogro ba adu di ai na si simple na hai si kai no current pu hai carry tabda di if current flows in a wire, the wire can be now considered as a magnet. Adu di between two magnets there may be force of attraction or there may be force of repulsion. You should not forget this. Okay, si ko where the adu di si current pura mina ka use hota hai. Si current pura mein this is also magnet. Si current pura mein this is also magnet. So there will be force of attraction or repulsion between these two current carrying wires, and the formula will be given as F is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2I1 I2 divided by distance of separation into length L2. See, smile iba length L ama hai ta ai buko generalize to see. Adu di this is distance. This is also kind of not distance natra. If we go through the dimensional analysis ta koina logo taradi length and the length will get cancel out. Okay, adu di here force ki dikhang bra. Dimension formula of your force consists of MLT inverse 2. Mass consists of length consists of time consists of we have the most probable answer is from this formula. Formula is find out the way abra yare adu this mine irage mass ki di force ki di kai mane for let me write like this F into d irage divided by the 4 pi are we going to use this 4 pi? These are constant, so constant do not have any physical quantity, so we can simply ignore it. Ignore the flow, C2, ignore the flow, and this we can put like this current I, this is current, okay? Current I1 into this is current I2 into then L, and this will be equal to mu naught. And this is D and this is L get cancelled out. This is also length, this is also length get cancelled out. And here this force ki di M L T inverse 2. And what about this current? Current ki di kailani se. This is current square. We can write like this current square ki kya manani I square. Or current square ki kya manani se here I1 and I2 can be represented as A into this is A. This is equal to mu naught. Then we will be having M L T inverse 2 and this is A inverse 2. This will be our formula. Then option number 1 will be the correct answer. Understood to one higatra I draw. Hayrani ko. Adu see chapters the quite maru is the for this chapter the most important thing is to remember the formula. Formula the nang simha putragati yara roy yadra yare ko. Just check out, is there any question left for finding out your dimensional formula? Lore ko dimensional formula putopugi magi topic 1 amdi lore adu khoina sida nang broadly khangadu se nang eta approach se pekhagi preparation ke approach se eta nang eta blind eta if you keeps on preparing from question number 1 to last question, then it is most likely that you will forget after 2 days. Numit ani ki matung na nang power ne nang pa nang more of preparation se kamai log de hai ta given topic amada. Let us take this chapter. See chapter sida topic sida what are the more of the question that is being asked in your your chapter number 2 sida hangi se kaino. It is basically asked in 3 different types of questions se more number 1 the dimension formula based of. So far we have done dimension formula based of question ne report correct. Next second the kailani se second the error analysis mathang the kanalani se nangi we have done a question related to your error analysis. Error analysis. So far, majority of the question that we have covered up today will be have based on are based on this dimension formula based on next third when a principle of homogeneity of physical quantity and the length plus length is equal to length that would be done to and the principle of homogeneity if you know some question how to approach dimension formula based question, that's well enough. You have limited time, you should prepare systematically methodology prepare dimension formula question difficult basic mass ki basic force ki dimension formula kya power ki kya surface tension ki kya that depends upon your level next the error analysis ki relative error percentage error concept, that's all. Next also the principle of homogeneity. Next money should the trending analysis in the last 3 years 2018 2018 19 20 still like question they ask every year slide caliper screw growth based on instrumental practical use instrumental questions question based on your instrument screw base and screw base and slide caliper based on these two are nothing but they are simply checking you the concept of error and error and approximation significant figure basically you have to go through 4 basic topics for this chapter we are left with this 3 and 4 3 and 4 for the live class I have to give you an announcement for the live class. Okay, we will not be starting very soon. Okay, we will be starting after 2 or 3 days. Okay, 2 or 3 days, and our live Q&A for the live class you should register in the Tismin app. Tismin app enrollment do tharo aduga tawsiko yani. Goodbye, have a nice day.